Popeyes, I'm doing their new Buffalo Ranch Chicken Sandwich review. Woo, 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 woo. What is going on, muchachos and muchachos? Yeah, how's it going today? This is Joey. How you all been? Before I start the review, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. It's going off because of you and all that cool stuff. So yeah, Popeyes has a new Buffalo Ranch Chicken Sandwich. And I got the combo. I got me some little stuff to go with it. And you'll see that in the description here in a couple seconds. But I hope you guys are doing great. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys are awesome. I'm just doing great. But I'm excited to try this. Who doesn't love the iconic Popeyes chicken sandwich? And now they have the Buffalo Ranch you could throw on there, and so I'm going to try it out today for my muchachos and muchachas. Okay, everyone, so let's sneak a peek-a-loo to see what this is all about. Okay, everybody, it's Joey from Joey's World Tour, and I'm doing Popeye's new Buffalo Ranch Sandwich. That's right. Happy May 1st. And look at all the cool stuff we got going today. I got me a little combination here, $15.81. That's all it was. And I got the little apple pie action here. Apple pie, apple pie, apple pie. Little Dr. Pepper. Little side of mac and cheese. And, of course, the iconic, beautiful Popeyes, famous Popeyes chicken sandwich. And now it comes with Buffalo Ranch sauce on it. So let's take a look what she looks like. Look at the Buffalo Ranch sauce. Beautiful. Look at that thick fillet of chicken on this beautiful Buffalo Ranch chicken sandwich from Popeyes. $15.81, everyone. That right. I'm a rhymer of some say. Thanks for tuning in. This is Popeyes' new Buffalo Ranch chicken sandwich review. Ooh, what do you think about that? Pretty neat stuff, huh? Yeah, so yeah, I'm excited to try this. First of all, let's start off a little mac and cheese action here. Who doesn't love mac and cheese? So let me get a little action. Look at that. Get your 3D glasses out. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, let's try it. Look at that. Me like you mac and cheesy. Oh boy, comfort food. Who doesn't love mac and cheese? So good. Makes you want to dance. Got me a little soda action here. Nice. Nice. Woo! Wow, what a way to start the meal off with some mac and cheese. Okay. Just that alone is awesome. So now, let's get to the nitty-gritty and try this new Buffalo Ranch chicken sandwich from Popeyes. So you see all the Buffalo Ranch on here. Let me get a close-up on it. This thing's heavy. You can actually work out with this thing. Look at that. So let's give it a shot today. Got a little pickle and more stuff on the bottom here. So yeah, this is Popeye's new Buffalo Ranch chicken sandwich. Wow, juicy goodness. So good. That beautiful chicken sandwich Oh man. And the crunchiness of this thing is off the hook. It is so good. And then you throw that little buffalo ranch sauce in here, give it a little kick. Man, so good, everyone. Ah. If you love Popeyes chicken sandwich, you're gonna love this. This is really good. Look at that thing. This will knock your Aunt Connie's socks off. Look at that thick chicken fillet on here. Look at that. Isn't that incredible? Wow, so good. Woo! Me likey. This is nice. I like this a lot, Popeyes. You guys are good. So, would I order this again? Yes, I would. I like this. I like this buffalo sauce because the buffalo ranch because I like it better like a spicy, just like the breading on there. But here you can actually really taste the spiciness, and it's for that buffalo ranch sauce, which is creamy and it's good, and it's just enough to tickle your tongue, let you know that there's some little heat action going here. Ah! 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 Yumski! So, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a 10 in my book. Get to Popeyes. Let the world know that Popeyes Buffalo Ranch chicken sandwich is off the hook. Check out my tweets and my torts and everything in between. Be sure to like and subscribe to Joey's World Tour. It's going off because of you. Thank you all for tuning in. You guys are the best. It is so good, everyone. Woo! And this sandwich is so thick and hearty and juicy. Man, this is all you need. This is a meal in its own. So you can get the combo if you want, but this is just this and a drink and you're good to go for like a week. Because this is a lot of food, everyone. And Popeyes just knows how to hit it out of the park, and they've done it with this. You'll like it a lot. And if you can, get some extra Buffalo Ranch sauce on the side, and it will make your heart happy. Thank you all for tuning in. So before we go, I gotta take a little bites-a-roozies of the apple pie. Oh boy, it's so good. Oh, cinnamon sugar, apple pie, yummy. Get there today, Popeyes. Hitting it another home run. Thank you all for tuning in. Thank you all for tuning in, everyone. I appreciate you all so much. This is Joey wishing you peace.